In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom JavaScript in Elementor. This is a simple, reliable way to run a small script on a specific page or even a single section without editing theme files or installing extra plugins. We'll keep it clean, safe, and easy to manage. First, open the page you want to work on with Elementor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the page and choose Edit with Elementor. Give the editor a second to load. You'll see your layout on the right and the widget panel on the left. Next, in the widget panel, use the search bar at the top and type HTML. You're looking for the built-in HTML widget. This is important because the regular text editor widget won't execute scripts, but the HTML widget can handle script tags safely when you have the proper permissions. Now drag the HTML widget into the place where you want your code to run. You can drop it into an existing section or column, or add a new section if that keeps things organized. Placement matters only in terms of scope. Wherever you place this widget is where the script will be associated. It won't show any visible content by default, so don't worry about it interrupting your design. With the HTML widget selected, you'll see a code box in the left panel. Paste your JavaScript inside script tags. For example, you can try a quick test like this. Open script tag, then alert with the text hello world, then close the script tag. In code form, that's script, alert parenthesis, hello world, parenthesis semicolon, end script. This test helps confirm the browser is executing your code. You may see the alert immediately in the Elementor preview. If you don't, click Preview or Update and view the live page in a new tab to test. If it still doesn't run, check your browser console for errors and make sure no security settings or caching tools are blocking it. Clearing your cache can help if you're using a performance plugin or a CDN. A quick reminder about scope. This method works only on the page or the exact section where you place the HTML widget. That's great for page-specific enhancements, quick tracking snippets, or small UI tweaks. If you ever need to disable it, just remove the code from the widget or delete the widget entirely. And that's it. Open your page with Elementor, search for the HTML widget, drag it onto the page, and paste your JavaScript inside script tags. Simple, focused, and fully under your control.